Hi guys, how are you? So, is everything good, right? So, I'm already told to you. Uh, I have to show the demo of couple of couple of projects which I did. So today I will go through you about the WealthWagon, which is one of my friend's company, and he also uh, referred another. So this company is approached in the Instagram. So we had a great connect, and finally we have developed this project. So which is WealthWagon. So the basic idea is they're going to manage the our wealth. So it's like not only mutual funds or stocks and SIP. If you have any wealth, they will handle everything, insurance part or any PMS, AF, high net worth individuals, everything they will manage. They have they have some couple of schemes and everything. So they need one ERP systems like management. They need to manage all the customers, and they need to handle all the insurances parts, and completely customer management portal they asked. So we have developed crazily. So right now they are using in the production. So I'm just giving you the demo. Each and every block I'll explain. I think you can already see my screen. First, initially when you log in into that screen, you will get some dashboard. So the dashboard is showing couple of metrics and counts. How many leads today we have received, how many leads we have converted, how many pending leads are there, how many tasks are overdue, how many tasks are unresolved, and today what tasks are coming. Same insurances details also. Each and everything have a separate section. It's like a dashboard for data, client, and everything. So there is another, if you see, so if you see the client module, client have the all the details actually. So client is like our client, the company's client. If the customer is onboarded, he is converted from the lead position to the customer. So they need to manage, right, the customer data and what they are doing, what risk profile there, what schemes we are going to recommend. So for that we have everything checked in the clients module. That's why client management. So it's like whenever the new client is came, they'll click the client onboard form, and there will be some client code and a tax status is resident or non-resident. If you select a resident, then no details will need to add extra. If you select non-resident, then you have to fill that foreign address also. So right now for the easier demo, I will select the resident, and you can select the holding nature, joint account or single account, anyone. Right now I'm select single. If you select the joint also, you need to add the joint holder details. So that's why I'm going to select the single, and gender you can select, and I can have that first name and last name, and you will see the date of birth. I'm just giving something, and you can have that some date of birth, PAN number, and you can have that occupation. So everything you need to give. So some address and state, and Andhra Pradesh, something like you need to give. If you have any nominee details, you can opt for nominee, and you can give that nominee details also. Right now I'm just opting out that nominee. So once you give the details, once we click that customer onboarding form, we get some uh, basic details, risk profile details, suitability. We need to enter. So right. So for that, we gave our client details and address details, everything, and I am clicking save and continue. After that, you will get asked some questions, and what is your investment origin. I'm going to go with uh, more than 5 year 5 to 10 years, and what is your primary investment goal. I'm expecting aggressive growth, and what you would react if your investment lost 20%, and some questions will ask. I'm holding, so my risk is aggressive and score is 80%. Then I'll continue, save, and next. These things will all managed by the company. Customer has to provide these answers. So as I said, these are the management portal. So based on the score, and they have some already schemes list. So based on that, they will recommend some flexi cap or small cap based on that. So he's aggressive. Some comments they can have, and they can submit. Click on the submit. Please select at least one scheme. I need to add here. I just selected. Now I am adding. You can add multiple schemes for one particular customer. So small cap fund I added, and I can submit the application. So they need to do the some verification. They need to do e-sign. We have integrated e-sign also, and they need to email. So what email we have given, I don't know present. So I'm just going with OTP on link. OTP on link is just like client is asking. Sometimes old age people has came to the office, so for that they don't have the emails. So we can directly validate that thing. So that's why they ask for. These are the like some other details: assessment date and valid how much you can valid 2018 something. Here also assessment date mostly today, and the authentication date and time. You need to give these details as per the client requirement. After that, because this is in-house they are doing, right? So they'll get some OTP. So return to dashboard. After that, OTP verification will happen after that. So once they kick the return to dashboard, it is showing pending for you. So once the verification is done, it is showing completed. You can see, just we have created that record, right? Mobile number, email ID, business, and some aggressive vendor. I can see some. Can see the who has done and documents if any provide. So everything is clear. Here you will get. You can change the recommendations. Recommendations means that schemes, and you can change the again risk profiling, and you can add that notes. You can upload some documents for supporting documents. Everything we can manage here. So everything is clear, right? This portal, and the client is asking one data collection module for the existing clients. This is simple, like a new request. Here the customer needs to give that name and same address, same mobile number, tax status, individual, single. If you click that generate that link, I get one email. I can show you that. So if you see that mail, guys, I got a mail just now only 1 minute ago. So I need to click this, means I means the client, whoever is the customer, whoever is onboarding to the client. So just to fill the KYC details, I have to choose PAN card, I have to choose address proof, and some bank details I need to provide, signature I need to provide. If nominee is there, I can have that nominee details. If you have another nominee, you can provide that same that nominee. So everything is clear, right? Once you done your verification, here you will get details is completed. You can click the view data, and you can see PAN card, his address proof, his bank details, his signature, and everything. So this is for testing data. So these are some testing data. So this requirement is client asked, we have developed. Next, coming to the part, this is insurance part. If any customer is came to client and he purchased one insurance through them, then the insurances everything details will be coming into this module. So same, add client, you have to add mobile number, insurance company policy, coverage amount, annual premium, issue date, renewal date, payment status, everything. Once you add the details, you can view and you can see that existing data, what is days remaining, and you can send the email also. You can enter in the email, you can click that, and automatically customer will receive email, hey, you have insurance is expiring, you have to renewal that. These things, this is like insurance management details. And also we have provided subsection. If you see renewal manager is, it will show the all the list, whoever the data is expiring. Maybe tomorrow is expiring some insurances customers, day after tomorrow some customers got expired their insurances. For them we have dedicated separate section. So here you will get all the insurances whoever due in 60 days. That's why there is no due in 60 days records. That's why here we are getting 0. But you have any expiration date is nearby today, then the records will came here, and you can click and you can resend the details. You can resend so that they'll got the mail and they will process. This is like easy communication instead of the manual checking Excels and follow-upping the customers. That's why this is the CRM completely customer relation management. Completely, it's like a client management system. So another is like data collection. Same, this is for the client also same, but they have segregated as insurances. Here, if you fill up this link, if you click this button, same previously I showed you, right? Same mail I got, but this is for insurance data. The fields will be different. Here I already tested with Palti Sweda. I just opened the I want to show the how the UI will be. You have to provide Aadhaar card, PAN card, bank proof, insurance persons, same Aadhaar card, and smoking or drinking. Maybe some extra questions also we can add. Client just now told to add these only. So once the data is submitted, you can view the data and what he submitted, what everything is done. You can everything see. It's like data management, insurances, documents, any need. That is the insurance part. And there is another model which is tasks. Tasks already we know. If we have any organization internally, we have a task side. This WealthWagon is a company. There is couple of people are working. Hey, they need to segregate tasks. So the task is like today we have this task, today we have this work, tomorrow this works. It's like a mini Jira, mini ClickUp, task management. What is the task type, document collection, anything, what is the due date, what is priority, and if their team members is high, all will come here. Right now I'm assigning this task to the Vasu, and this is high priority. Some description you can send, you can create the task. Automatically task will created, and that will be under Vasu's name. So assigned to Vasu, created by system admin, because I am the system admin. So you can see all the tasks, and whoever got all the tasks created by me and assigned to me. I have one ticket, it's already overdue, 130 days I need to do. Just kidding. So this is the task management. So client is asked, we have developed this also. This is complete full stack application, guys. Everything will be into the DB. You can see this is completely hosted. I can't share the login details with you, but as we need a business partners who want to sell the products, who want to market the product, and who want to get the clients or businesses. So we will connect, and I will give you the demo credentials. So there is no issue on that. So definitely we will make it out. And there is another coming to the demo video, there is another sub broker module is there. Sub broker module. So sub broker module is like same getting the data for another type of customer. This is, they all segregated customers actually. Initially the lead lead we customers as a lead, right? So lead management is separate. Sometimes they only came for insurances, so that's why sometimes they only came for insurances. That's why we build we segregated. This is client requirements. Client segregated as a insurance. So same customers sometimes they directly on board for some other things like schemes. This is like a sub broker. In the sub broker, they need to add the sub broker. They need to fill some tax details, ARN number, EUN number, validity number. These things are financial institutions will know. If you running any financial firm, you definitely got this number. Or if you need a similar software like this, you can definitely approach us. Yeah, actually, client is okay with that. So we have built for multiple accounts actually. Another customer can onboard means another customers means another client, another company can onboard into our application. Our database structure and our APIs will design like that. No data collapse will happen, no data mismatch will happen. Each and every account segregated as a new company in our database. So new company will can onboard into our solution. So if you need this solution, you can ping us. So this is sub broker details and flat address and everything. If he submitted his details, you can view the details and what he submitted. You can upload the documents, related things, everything you can segregate. It's like a CRUD only. Next, coming to the lead management. Lead management, you already know. Leads is like initial staging of customers. So they just contacted us, or else they scheduled for appointment. So here that's why that if you see the details, everything, say name and mobile and emails. So if you see the lead details, here also fields are showing name and mobile, email and appointment date when the appointment needs to book and assign to like internally you can see the tasks, right? So based on the tasks only we can assign this appointment. You can take another customer appointment, you can take like that. And requirements, you can add lead, how many leads are pending, how many leads are closed, these all leads are closed, how many leads are dropped. So we have developed everything. You can see that pending lead and you can close or else you can drop that lead, and multiple peoples can add the comments in our organizations. Vasu had taken the appointment one day, Vasu can add his points, and next day Jay can take an appointment for the same customers. Jay can add his comments. All comments will be came here. Based on the comments, the reports has to be decided. We can close or we can drop. We can close that lead. He is good customer. He is ready to onboard in our application. So everything is done. Once that lead is closed, again they based on the insurance or schemes recommendations or sub broker, they will just add the details in the rest. Coming to the reports module, it's like risk profiles. Initially in the client onboarding time, we will take that we can ask some questions and we'll get some answers, and based on the score, he is aggressive or something we have decided, right? Everything will be into the risk profile. You can see the details, what questions we have asked, what score of level, and you can do the risk profiling. You can change the schemes recommendation also. Everything is visible here. You can download the PDF also. We have given that option also, that will convert as a PDF and that will give. So it's loading still, but not an issue. It will definitely load right now. Some security permissions issue. So if you so that is reports part is done, right? Coming to the grievance part. Coming to the grievance part, you already know grievance is like complaints from the customer side. So maybe they asked something. Customer called to our client and they told about some complaint. One person is came, but they told this is not a good one person is came, they told some arrogance. So you can everything record here. Select a category, new issue, technical issue, or service delay, document issue, anything. Customer is complaining, anything, all should be recorded, right? We have to take the feedback from the customers. Customer is the real teacher actually. Even customer is genuine feedback they can give. Sometimes we can sometimes we can praise our product, but customer has the reality. So you need to register customer completes here. So means the client. So here if you see all the open complaints, these all are from testing guys. If it is come in the production, they'll immediately respond. So how many closed grievances there? You can reopen, you can view. If you reopen, automatically the complaint will go to the, if you see, you can count is 7. So same, you can close the grievance. I have to add some comments before I am closing. So I can close. If you see that it's disappeared, and you can see in the closed box the John Doe McToes. Okay, all clear guys. Then it's next, the last module is settings. We have given all option to the clients that dynamically approval, onboarding email, OTP verification email, and grievance resolution. Previously I got one mail, right? So that mail also dynamically you can configure here based on these template parameters. So that's why we have give the client to every freehand. And integrations also, company logo also you can change guys. This feature no one will give, but we gave. Sometimes company has changed different types of logos, and the risk profile questions and everything dynamically they can set up. And audit logs also we have enabled, what internally which admin what are doing and everything. So I just created one customer. Today is 9th August. Here the audit log is there. No one can manipulate the system. No one can delete the records guys. Everything is recorded. So enterprise applications needs these audit logs definitely. That too in the financial firms, that should be must. So that's why we created audit logs. And also we have a server logs. You can open that will redirect to another file. Due to the security reasons I can't able to show you guys, but the view is like everything application logs, any errors, any debugging things, all will be logged. So the client is asked, usually server logs can't be exposed, but client is asked this. So that's why this is the entire system we have built guys. This is excellent, right? That's why I'm telling this is scalable, and millions of customers this application can handle. I'm confidently saying the database. The database is MySQL, backend is Node.js, frontend is React, and everything is deployed in the AWS. Some S3 services we have used for the file storages and documents related things, and CloudFront we have used, and Google for SEO purpose also we have done so much of work. So it's scalable, security, and everything is backups is ready. So every day database is backup. So if we lost today data, there is no possibility to lost the data. If anything happened today, yesterday database we can backup and we can load. So we have developed scalable, secure application, and encryption data. So there is a lot of, because this application is audit passed guys. That's why I'm confidently saying some audits they need to, some audits with the some auditors they need to check actually, otherwise they can't proceed normal as a customer applications, though this application is passed by the audits. That's why, so that there is no any security loops. Initially we got some parameter injection and some special characters are taking in the input field. These are the things we came. So we have resolved everything. So now this is entire application we have developed, everything is done, and still client is adding phase 3, phase 4 also. Right now I'm showing phase 1, phase 2. So we got a good client, and client also liked our work. So they need some other mobile application and some other things, and they need extra KYC related things also, like DigiLocker, some other things. So we are going to add that in the phase 3, but it's mostly like that. Why I am saying to you is we have a capability, we can develop anything. Just I'm showing my work, client is also happy, we are also happy. So please, you can trust us and we can build anything, guys. So how was the demo, and would you like, or any improvements do you need? Any improvements we can add, you can definitely comment, and we can share our thoughts. Yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. And in the next video I will give you the JayaLogic.com, which is school management